Hello traders, I hope you're doing good. I hope you can hear me, you can see the screen, everything this time is working well. It should be working well, and if it's not, please let me know. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I'm still new to these live streams. Like I want to learn how do I see properly that like everything is working, so I'm like not so I'm not like just talking to myself here. So I'm not talking with myself and like thinking, hey, this is not working. So I'm going to quickly check on my phone if we are live or not. So let me check Anna FX. Okay. It just shows that. Okay, let's see. Are we live? Are we not live? Okay. Hello Anna, we can hear you. Good. So everything is good then. I can see I can see actually the comments, your live chat this time as well. So we have Yanis in here again. Latvians watching me. Super excited. So guys, as you can see, we just hit the news on EU. It was the, let me check. It was the, here, these ones. The numbers are the same, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know how to read the news. I'm not a professional when it comes to reading the news. I just know there's a red folder, so I'm like just staying away. But yeah, the charts are looking like this at the moment. We can see that the EU is pushing down, and we are having news in literally 15 minutes. So before I start to like trade or talking charts, I just want to remind you that this is just for entertainment. Whatever I'm doing in here, please do not copy my trades if there is trades going to be. Do not copy. Trading involves risk, so be considerate whatever you're doing when it comes to trading. So I'm not here to give you any signals or anything like that. We're just here to have fun, see how the charts are moving, and just talk more about trading, where you can ask me questions if you have any questions, and yeah, we can just have kind of, I don't know, like a short session of like talking, answering questions, connecting. So whatever you're up to, guys, you can ask a question when it comes to like my trading style or anything you want to know. I can walk you through what I saw this morning and what trades I was in, and also the trades that I didn't take. So just I'll walk you through kind of. Also, I need to tidy up these ones in here because I don't, well, I was looking at the BTC because who hasn't been, because BTC has been on the run, and it's always nice to see your portfolio grow, which was nice. So anyhow, I want to walk you through like this trade that I had yesterday, which literally presented at the market closure, so I never took this trade, but this would actually have worked. But I think it was like really tricky trade. I put it in my journal and I put it like, I never took this trade because of the, basically market is closing. If you don't know, every day 10 p.m. which is UK time, or 5 p.m. Eastern time, the market is closing, which means there's high spreads, high volatility, and sometimes price can move like 10-15 pips from nowhere, and it happens every day. So, because I've seen so many traders like, what's going on with spreads? Why the spreads are so high? Why the price is moving? It's simply because the market is closing. So, this opportunity did present. And I mean, if you can read the charts, or if you have followed me a little bit longer and you have been on a couple of streams, then you know that I trade zones. And this is a simple break and retest. So you can see this was the previous high, price pushed lower, came back to retest this high, pushed lower, then broke this resistance, which is now support in here. So we have break and retest. And what I'm waiting for is, when I'm entering my trades, is I'm waiting for candle closure on 15-minute charts. So this is 15 minutes on GU. So that's why I am entering after the candle closure. And it's super simple, like it's simple. You know, like probably Hannah's gonna laugh now, but I need to mention, like, you know, Anna trades stupid simple. Stupid simple is coming soon. I'm kidding, it's not coming. So yeah, I mean, I would have entered this setup if that would be presented, let's say, in London stream or New York, but not before the closure of the market. So in my trading plan, it does say do not enter on the market closure. And also simply because the market was closing in here, so this candle in here, like this one, I mean, the spreads are higher. So if I would even have entered the trade, I probably would have been tagged in somewhere, you know, like in here. So that wouldn't be, you know, good risk to reward for me to enter. So yeah, no point taking these trades, but they do go in my journal because it's really good to see when my setups are playing out. And like this year, I have really noticed that most of my setups are playing out when I'm sleeping, about like 2 to 4, 4 to 5, and I'm not waking up that early in the morning. I sometimes do think like I'm already like away at 6, so that's good for me. I'm really trying to work on my sleep like this year, really trying to work on myself to be better. And so yeah, that's why I think I'm having an issue again with the chat. No, it just stopped working, just lost. Okay, let me quickly find if you're chatting or if you're not chatting. If you're saying something and I'm ignoring you, I'm really sorry. Okay, let's see. I just want to see what the EU will do. It's a really interesting area as well in here, to see how. Okay, you're live. Hello, live streams are always tricky. Excited to see what is going on today. Yeah, me too. I'm excited, especially in 8 minutes because we are having more news. Rita says, do you trade at certain hours, Anna? I mean, I do always trade, like, honestly, I'll take any time when my setup is presenting, I will take it, except the market closure time. Like this one, what happened yesterday on GU. I wouldn't take this trade, and I explained you why. But update us on your Darwinix. I will at some point, but I'm doing really well. I'm in top 100s. I'm still in silver. Trading since August. It's going really well. I had really terrible start in September, October, November, December. Well, no, December actually finished in profit. So, but I had a terrible start with it. But I am slowly getting there. And to be honest, it's kind of tricky because you know what? Like with Darwinix, it's because there is a leaderboard, and I love competition. You know how they're saying a minute to win it, so it's almost like I want to be number one. I know it's stupid. I shouldn't be pushing myself like that, but yeah, I will give you update, guys, at some points later on in the future. And I'm just like, how do you know? You must be from the Fivers community because I haven't said anything publicly like on my socials, and I haven't talked about being in Darwinix. So, but yeah, I do trade with Darwinix. I trade with them since last year, September, because I signed up in August. You should pretend to sleep. Just pretend to sleep. That's so funny. Okay, let's see, guys. We have 5 minutes to see what's going to happen. I mean, I'm not going to take any trades now. That would be crazy dangerous, right? Also, just want to say, for those who were here the last time when I was streaming last week, you said, you guys, you wanted some music in the background. So I've been actually looking at because like I need to use like a copyright free music, so I don't get banned from YouTube. So I'm looking into it, and next stream there might be music. So yeah, I'm excited. This is a hot tea. Last time my water was cold, now this is too hot. But anyhow, I'm really interested to see what's gonna happen. I can tell you a funny story. Like when I first joined like Forex, when I started to trade Forex, that was like years ago. I used to trade like only news on the news release, but that was only like NFP. And and it's like so funny because like now I'm looking it back and I was like, that was crazy. So I would put like stop limit 30 pips above price and 30 pips below price just before the news are hit, literally like 2-3 minutes before, and I would target 20 pips. Most likely the EU will go up, but we will see. We will see what's gonna happen. Feels like I'm losing my voice there. Okay. Okay, what do you think? Are we going up? I think we're going to go up anyway. So I just want to wait until the news hit, and then we'll see what's going to happen. Like, definitely too dangerous to trade now. I do believe we're going higher on the, it's very messy, isn't it? Are your charts as messy as mine? Mine are messy. So I think we are going higher, but like we are in a very interesting area. So this has been rejected in here. Like the price comes to like this 19,200, 19, like this round number, and then we can see huge rejection. So I am thinking this could be like a little pullback, and I would be willing to trade this. Like I really like the zone, but the thing is, because we do have news, not worth it. So my setup would be like this. The price comes lower here, and then I'm waiting for the 15-minute bullish candle closure if I want to buy. So that would be my setup, but definitely way too dangerous. I knew you more from Fivers. You are the reason why I joined Fivers. Felt so bad when you quit coffee with trades. Well, I didn't quit coffee with trades. I just left my job as a community manager. So that's why I'm not there. But still coffee trades are happening in there. There is Victor and Rich doing them. So you guys join the Fivers community. It's a great place to be for the traders. How long have you learned before becoming profitable, Alexandra? A long time. Definitely a long time. It took me, I think I talked about it in my last video, how to become profitable trader. And I gave you 4 secrets, which are really not the secrets, but I gave you 4 secrets how to be profitable. And one of the secrets was like really time. You need to give yourself time. And it took me a long time, guys, almost like 5 years until I could say, you know, I hit profitability. Well, not hit, I reached profitability. But like, I mean, I went through a lot. I bought so many courses. I joined so many communities. I tried different stuff when it comes to like naked charts. Then I traded almost all things possible, like, you know, all the indicators. Then I had robots, you call them? Not robot, is it robot trading? Anyhow, like automated trading. I tried that one. It didn't work. I mean, I think I was one of those traders who make every single mistake possible. And then finally, you know, they're like, this is enough is enough. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna trade. And so yeah, that was me. Really took a long time. And you know what I always say, like I still have, you know, like let's say last year, for example, since June last year, I really struggled. And I mean really struggled. I was thinking that I cannot trade anymore. My strategy is rubbish, and that's a lot of negative self-talk. By the way, I've learned that I shouldn't be doing that, because I think, you know, how we talk about ourselves, it's just so important. And I was given the oh wait guys, the news are coming out. Wait, stop talking, Anna. So the news are out. So let's see the numbers. If they, okay, it's suspending. It looks like it could be positive if it's pushing up a bit. But yeah, look at that. Oh, come on, show me the number. Yeah, so negative news for the US dollar. So we can see a little bit of push on EU. And like now this setup, like I would be interested to buy. I mean, this is tricky. So my setup would be this, because we have broken this zone, right? And this would be like a retest, so break and retest. And I would be interested to like buy on the bullish candle, but in all honesty, I would like for the price to come lower to here. Guys, remind me what I was talking about before, because I completely forgot. I was saying something, I was about to say something awesome, and then I forgot because the news came out. So I would be willing actually to enter buys, because I'm still, I still have long bias on EU. If the price could come, you know, to this area and then print me bullish candle, that would be really good. But I don't think we're gonna see that. If the news just push the price, then it's just gonna drive up. And but yeah, GU though, I'm gonna talk about GU after. Remind me. Yanis is here. There you are. Oh, thank you, Yanis, for joining. I really appreciate that. Yanis is awesome trader, guys. He's also doing live streams. He does more London sessions, so it's like early London sessions. So if you want to trade like Yanis is trading, please join him. You can see Conscious Day Trader. That's Yanis. click on it, subscribe to him. You know what? Like, it's funny, Yanis. Remember how every time I would go on his stream and he would be like, hey, Yanis here, you know, she's awesome trader. And now I'm doing the same thing. Yanis is awesome trader, guys. Go and follow him. He's honestly such a great trader, very transparent, shows his journey inside and out, a great human, and really, really good trader to be around because his mindset is solid and he always is speaking truth on trading. How we're talking about ourselves, you were saying. Oh, thank you so much. So this is I actually first time I went because FTMO offers like for their traders to go with a performance coach. So I had my first session with Nelly. I was so nervous. I was like, I don't know what to expect. I nearly cancelled, but then I was like, no, I need to go. So anyhow, we talked about it and she noticed that I have a lot of negative self-talk on me. Like I'm saying, oh, I'm making these mistakes, or just a lot of negative self-talk. And she said, you know what, you need to learn how to talk positive to you. And there's this exercise when you need to take a picture of yourself when you're a kid. So take a picture and just talk to that kid. Would you ever say, mean things to that kid? No, you wouldn't. So it's really good exercise. I'm trying, but I think, like these things when it comes to like changing the way you talk, the way you think, the way you see the world, right? It takes time. So I definitely know that, yeah, it's gonna take time for me, like till I learn to, to talk more positive, Yanis, send us link to your channel. Yanis says, stop it. No, I'm not going to stop it because you did that to me. Now I'm doing that to you. Oh my goodness. I think it's nice that we can be positive and that we can, I think it's actually really nice that we have traders like Yanis who is actually changing the Forex industry, because so many traders are just, okay, I think I'm going down the rabbit hole there, but I just want to say so many traders, especially like on Instagram, they're just flashing all these big profits, big this, that, and, yeah. So, and I think we are just different, there are many different traders. Is different the word? I want to say better, I'm going to say, Yanis, we are better. We are better than others. I'm going to get in trouble. Don't get me in trouble, guys. Actually, what I could do, I could share Yanis a link. Just let me figure out how to do it. I will do it. So, but yeah, anyhow, guys, I think the price is looking good. So if we can come down to here, then I see the buys on EU. I'm just like curious, what do you think? Would you get into the trades? Or would you be like, nah, I'm good, not getting into trades? This is really interesting how price is pushing lower. This is what sometimes I don't get. Like the news for the EU, not the EU, for the dollar will come out negative, but dollar will still be pushing up. Like, look at the DXY. How? How is this possible? Like, who is... Or, I get the dollar, like DXY, is in a really important area. Well, this is my picture in here, so you can't see. See this one? So, this is like a support, and that, I think maybe that's how... But, I don't know. Too much thoughts in my head there going on. But we can see that the DXY is supporting this area of 103, 150, something like that. I think that's the low, but I don't know for how long. It looks like it does. The price is, from the price action points, it's looking like, we are going lower. So that's what I'm thinking. So that's why I am expecting that this is actually going to give us the opportunity to buy. But we will see. I would actually be very, very much interested to buy EU. Do we have any more news, or was it the only one? Well, we do have at 3 p.m, which is in an hour and a half. We do have news coming out, which sucks. That means I probably won't be able to get in this trade anyways. But we'll see. We will see. Okay, let me quickly go to Yanis, day trader, conscious day trader. Okay, and then I'm going to share. We'll copy the link. Okay, and then I need to wait. Where is the live chat? Okay. Buy GU is stronger. There you go. Did I plug it in? Did I plug it in? I think I did. I did. Okay. Donna, hi, from Puerto Rico. Nice. I love that country because the tax is low in there. Isn't that true? Like the tax is very low in there. We have one more high impact news on Euro in 10 minutes. I'd like to reach the zone and then as you waiting for a bullish candle. Nice to see you again, Anna. Thanks, Larry. Market will likely retrace to fair value gap. I have learned that one, fair value gap, on 4 hour or a discount zone before going up. Yep, we might be. It won't go down. I mean, I think we'll go down here. And how about GU? Yeah, I will delete this setup because, you know, never took it. But this actually could have been a good sell opportunity as well. This one in here. There. This could have been a really good sell opportunity and just like targeting previous low. But because within the news and everything like that, and also because market is bullish, I rather go with the trend because trend is your friend until it's not, I guess. Okay, one time is enough because I did the same. Now we can call it even. Okay, Yanis, I'm going to do these lives, guys, every once a week. So basically once a week is going to be like a trading live where I'll be, well, at least I'll try to trade live, but if I don't have any setups, I'm not going to force it or anything like that. So we'll see if we can get a buy opportunity in here. If we can't, we can't. That's fine. But I want to talk you through the GJ. So GJ is a very tricky pair. She is definitely tricky. You can see all my alerts in here when we were trading above. I was really trying for the price. I was really thinking the price is going to go up, especially like from the zone yesterday in here. I actually did buy, but I was taken out on break even. Let's push the market, guys. Anna gives private signals to the organization. That's definitely like, that's the Fiverr thing. When I used to do the coffee calls in the Fivers, we would always laugh. Let's move the market. Like, let's put our 0.01 lots together and the market is going to move. But it's so silly because, you know, Forex market is such a huge market. I mean, it's trillions, not billions, but trillions a day. So our 1 lot or 10 lot, it's like, doesn't matter. And it's like funny how people, hey, Anna's trading 7 figures so she can move the market. Oh my goodness, guys. Like, even if you have 7 figures, you can't move the market. Like, you just can't. Yanis is so happy of GU Bears. He had sell trades to manage. Oh, right. Okay, I see. Yeah, I do see like GU sells. We could come to this zone, but I only see them because I would be willing to buy from here. But I think we need to, I'm going to actually put a little alert in here because I want to see how the price will go. And then I'm going to put alert in here. But anyhow, speaking about the GJ, if you look at the 4 hour chart, I'm sorry, it is a little bit messy there. If you look at the 4 hour chart, I know there's many zones in here. But I really, look at that big drop. I wish I would have sold, but hey, I wish I did this. I wish I did that. So yeah, just want to walk you through the GJ. I think we are in a really nice zone in here, and I was in the trade. I did took like buy opportunity, but I did close my trade because of the news going out, and so I bought in here. We had like little push here, which was good, but then because we never took out this high in here, I probably need to make it a little bit bigger. So because we never broke this high in here, that made me think that, you know what, there's a lot of bearish pressure. And if you look at it, there's a lot of bearish pressure. And the GJ is like this. If she moves, she moves. So I closed my trade at the break even. Well, I didn't close, my break even was hit because I set to break even simply because I was like, I don't like this at all. So anyhow, hit the break even. If I see another bullish candle, honestly, I would be interested to buy. I would be very much interested to buy because I think if we can hold this level, if we can hold this zone in here, I understand that the price can push in this zone, but this is where I'm willing to buy. I would actually try to buy all the way to this zone, but if we do go below this one, I will be like, this is me now. We need to try and find the sellers. And but yeah, for now, I'm really interested to see if we can get a bullish closure, because if we can, I would buy. So let's say if this candle is closing bullish, I would most likely buy. And obviously same thing for like EU as well. Do you trade commodities or index? No, guys. I think index as like US 30 or NAS 100. What else do we have? DAX. Those are beasts. Like, I don't touch them. I don't like them. I don't. So as long as I'm not forced to do that, because I know of what's going on with like prop farm industry right now. A lot of traders who are in America, they are trying to go to futures. Is that true? Am I right? Futures? I'm just like trying to think. Was it futures? I think it is. So basically trying to trade futures because it is different platform. And okay, EU gave me alert. What? Oh, right, yeah, this one. I thought I put 2. I got confused there. No! So anyhow, I think the US traders are really trying to find like different options. So that's why people are going to futures and trying to find a way how to still like trade, because looks like MT5, MT4 is not going to be an option. At least like for most prop firms. We know that FTMO, the big prop firm, is not taking US traders, and I think it was like since January. And then the Fivers also announced that they are not taking the US traders as well. So it is a little bit concerning, but there's always a way, you know, there's always a way. Right, 35 seconds. This is not a good go. Even if this is bullish closure in here, I'm not going to touch it. Like, I don't like to buy in the middle of the zone like this. Yeah, this is not happy anymore because GU is pushing higher as well. And let's see, GJ. Will we get a bullish closure? We have 13 seconds. If we do, I'm actually going to enter. So I'm going to take it. Sienna's signal's always true. No, guys. Whatever, I'm not going to take it. So we closed as a doji. So the price, you know, when the doji is presented, the price is just, you know, uncertain what to do. So we are not touching this trade, but let's give it another 15 minutes. Because I'm going to be here live for another half an hour. So you need to survive for another half an hour. But if you don't want to survive and you just want to get along with your day, just move along. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for another 15 minutes to see if this candle will be a bullish closure. And if it is, then again, I would be interested to buy. My stops would be below the structure. What I do see, these are equal lows, right? So we have tendency to take out equal lows. So, but I mean, it should be enough. So, yep, let's see if we can get closure, bullish closure, and then we can target the previous highs in here. I know technically it would be this high, but I would target these ones because if I target this previous high, it wouldn't be enough for the rest of the reward. It's not even 1-to-1. So I am targeting this area in here. So we'll see. We need to wait. Okay, let's see what GU is doing. GU gave the big bullish candle. EU. Yeah, look at that EU. This could have been a setup, right? Like so. But it's just so dangerous. It just doesn't make sense, right? I mean, the price could go up and reach this previous high. So wait, let's just do this. Hey Anna, cheers. Nice, guys. I'm in US and I just switched to futures from Forex. Yeah, maybe 190. That would be good. That would be good. By the way, I'm still holding my swing setup on GJ. I'm still holding my buys. I'm still in, still holding. But yeah, but I'm really interested in this one. Will we go higher? Because I really would like to be in this, but I want for the price, you know, to come lower and then give me opportunity. Probably in 5 minutes, if we go in 5 minutes. Yeah, that would be like entry in here. But I used to trade 5-minute entries, not anymore. They are liars. Like 5-minute charts are liars. I mean, I know it sounds stupid. Again, stupid is my favorite word. Whenever I say something that's like just doesn't make sense or like, you know, it's silly, I'm like, that's stupid. So yeah, I'm just I'm thinking that 5 minutes are definitely more liars. And yeah, for myself, for my data actually, because everything, you know, should be based on data. Definitely 15 minutes. So if this candle, you know, is pushing lower and then we reach the bullish closure in here, that would be much better. But now we're waiting for this one. We're waiting for bullish closure in here. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But I mean, 190 would be nice. 190 is in here. That would be nice. Look at that. I'm sharing these big risk to reward trades. 1 to 5. Woo! Oh my goodness. Yeah, for myself, honestly, like I'm happy with 1 to 2. If I can get anything more than 1 to 2, I'm very happy. But 1 to 2 is actually like my minimum. I don't want to take the trade that's less than 1 to 2, because I do go through some drawdowns. So for me, like to recover my drawdown, yeah, I need to take 1 to 2 trades. So yeah, let's see if GJ is going to be bullish or not. Right. Let me check how many likes I have, guys, because last time you didn't like my video and then the YouTube didn't like it. So we need to make sure that we need to put some likes on. Let me see. How likes do we have? How likes do we have? How likes do we have? How many likes we have? My English, losing my English. We have 28. That's not bad. That's not bad. But how many people are watching? 69. I mean, that's good. I think that's good. See, this stuff, when it comes to every time I need to close my video, you know, and say, thank you so much for watching, you know, I'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe and all that kind of stuff. I'm rubbish at that. So, but anyhow, I need to go back and get the live chat back. Hi, how are you? I'm good. I'm super good. Hannah, is that my Hannah? Is that Hannah Forex Hannah? What did you do? What did you do? Let's celebrate their first super on a live stream. Oh my goodness. That is my Hannah. Oh, yeah, guys, if you don't know who Hannah is, just type in Hannah Forex. She's awesome trader. And she made me completely... Hannah, what did you do? My thoughts are like all over the place. What is this? You're gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna message her and she's gonna be in trouble after this. My goodness. Again, I'm the first one to like, yay, thank you so much. You guys, you're just sweet. You're just sweetest. Honestly, like my followers, like whoever one is like following my like journey and like watching the videos, you guys are just the nicest ever. Because I follow many like traders, like good traders, and some comments honestly can be so nasty. So I'm very grateful that I don't get that. Sometimes I do, but very rarely. So my people are nice people. You guys are nice. Okay, let's look what the EU will do. Okay, EU is pushing down. I actually like this. I really do. Because that means if we coming into this zone and then if we can give a bullish candle closure, we would be buying. Tell Hannah to open entry for her life club. Maybe. Who knows? Guys, go and watch her last video. Is Hannah from Philippines? Well, yeah, she is in Philippines now. She's there originally from there. And now she's in there. But who knows how long she's staying. She's not she's not saying that, and I'm not the one to share as well. You know, even if she would tell me, I wouldn't be able to share that because that's a secret. You know, but I'm really hoping that I'm gonna see her, this year. Uh, do you have personal account as well as Fivers? Yes, I do, and I have multiple personal accounts because I'm really believer of those. How to say it? You know the saying, "Don't put all eggs in one basket." The same way how traders say we need to make sure that we have multiple prop firm accounts. We also need to make sure that we have multiple broker accounts. So basically your personal accounts, and that's what I have done as well. So just split them in smaller accounts. Split my capital in smaller accounts, and yeah, have multiple, and then just use a copy trader. Use a copy trader tool to execute your positions. Simple as that. And I think it's also like that safety. Like I really don't like seeing a lot of money in one place. It makes me anxious, I would say, because you know, if something happens to that broker, and also by the way, all my brokers that I use, they are regulated, they are protected, like they have to be yeah, they have to be protected basically. Who says why people are not liking stream? You guys are. You're doing a great job. 47 likes. It's good. It's really good. People are liking, which is really nice. So yeah, definitely need to put eggs in different baskets. And for myself, I just don't like when there's a lot of money in one account, so I like to split. I think that's just like the best way. And then just use a copy trader tool, which is super easy, simple to set up. There are multiples out there. I'm personally using, well, I think I'm going to switch. I think I'm going to switch to a little cheaper version because, hey, I love a bargain. If I can get it cheaper, I'll get it cheaper. I love a wee bargain. But yeah, I think it's really, really important to have, first of all, whoever is like trading with prop firms. And I think I have talked about it before, that whoever trades prop firms, what we do as traders, and I mean, don't get me wrong, I have done that as well. As soon as we get a payout, we are so excited that we start to spend that money, which is great, you know, because you worked hard, you can spend it. But I think what really traders should do, and you know, who am I to, you know, suggest, but if I can suggest, I would say whatever money you get out of from your prop firm, make sure that you build your personal account, because like you want to be ready, you know, if something happens to prop firms, like right now I am actually fine, like I can just trade my personal accounts and I will be just fine. So I think it's really important to like prepare ourselves. So okay, EU is in the zone, we need to wait for another candle. Let's see what the GJ is doing. We have 5 minutes for the closure. This would be the entry if the candle would close like this. Still enough risk to reward, so we'll see. And EU is in the zone. How is GU? Yanis is happy again because the GU is going lower, which is great. So yeah, for me now, I don't want for the EU to go any lower. I love this rejection. I like this a lot, and now we just need to wait and see what's going to happen, because if there is a bullish candle, then I would love to be in this. But we'll see. We will see. And again, it's just like so annoying, you guys. So annoying, because the news are negative, but then DXY is going up. Why is it like that? 2 minutes ago. Is it 2 minutes ago? Oh, right. Okay, I see. Okay, that's why EU's going down. Okay. And so is GU as well. Okay. But, I mean, it's not... If the push is not that strong, then we'll see what's going to happen. Such a weird day to trade as well, because we have, like, many news. So, yeah. We will see what's going to happen. Okay, I need to go back to your comments. I use a free copier with my prop and personal account on an old computer at home only for this. I don't like to pay for service when I can do it myself. Well, that's super cool. Like, I'm not a coder. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to do this. So I just need to pay the monthly fee for my copier, and I'm okay to do that. But see, if it comes to choosing, you know, I want the good copier. I want something that's going to actually execute my trades and not going to mess it up. So I'm okay to pay a fee, but if I could do that, I would definitely use it, you know, something for free, because, you know, for free always better. Coffee tastes better. No, you know what I say when I go to someone else's like house for a dinner? I always will say, your dinner tastes so much better than mine. Because you know what, it's not me who needs to cook, you know, it's not me who's sweating at the oven there. So always the free one tastes better. And I'm just like thinking from my childhood, like, because I lived in Latvia, which is very close to Russia, so I speak Russian, and most of my friends when I was little were like Russians, and then we had this saying that, right, I'm not gonna say it, but anyhow, it's the same principle where whatever you get it for free, it always tastes sweeter. It was priced long time. ECB had suggested changing interest rate. Oh right, okay. The loyalty family. What is your Discord name? Because I want to know who you are in the Discord. Because like I still remember like all the really really good Discord, like really good active Discord members. Looking to buy EU at 1.80582. 80582. Why in here? Because of this little area? That's an interesting area to buy. Yeah, we'll see. I like this rejection, and if we can get a bullish candle closure, preferably I would like for the price to close a bit lower, and then next candle, nice bullish candle, and then we are in. You don't need to know any coding, just use several EAs and configure them, but of course it's still more technical than using a paid service. Alright, okay, that's good to know. I mean, you guys, I'll tell you this, if, by the way, if you're not, again, one really good channel, it says try standing up. I need to try and stand up just so my phone is like saying that I'm moving. Anyhow, if you are a trader and if you like watching live videos, or when you're working you won't like someone like me who's like talking, you know, in your background, something that you're doing, Trade Delicious is a really really good channel for traders, because they're doing streams on London and New York, and Jordan is like a host for the London stream, and I have been there a couple of times, and honestly guys, every time I go there, like, we have technical issues. It's just like crazy. So me and like technology, we don't go together at all, like at all. So I think that's why it's like so hard for me to like do anything like that. Like, you know how long it took me like to actually learn how to edit, like even a little bit, you know. It took me a long time, but I do see like progress. I do see progress. You have the same point of view, Ruffy. On the EU, that's nice. Good to know. So I'm waiting for the bullish candle. I'm waiting for the bullish closure in here. Like, this is not a setup. And by the way, I can share that I used to trade from like zones where I just set my limit orders and I trade. But the data was not as good. So I stopped, and I was trying to figure out what would be my confirmation, and my confirmation is closure of the candle in the direction I'm willing to either buy or sell. So if I'm buying bullish, if I'm selling bearish. So that's why I'm waiting for my bullish closure. So hopefully next candle is a bullish closure, and we can enter something like this. Let's look at the GJ. Okay, let's look at the GJ. It actually gave a bullish candle. Right, I'm going to enter GJ. Just for your guys, please do not take it. Okay, I am going to enter GJ. Oh, while I'm like doing this, it's gonna be like shooting up. Okay. And we are in. I didn't put a lot of risk. I put lower risk on this. And speaking about the risk, the next video is out on Saturday, and it's going to be about risk management. So I took a trade. How can I show you? Oh, but then wait, I will delete the thingy. See? trade. I don't know if you can see it, but I took it. I took it. I just want it to cover my lot size. Because it's none of your business. That was so mean. None of your business. Oh my goodness. Love it. Love it. So yeah, I'm in the trade. And we are targeting these previous highs. Right, let me see, where did it tag me in? Because I was just a little bit late. So I am in at 188462. 1884. Oh, that's bad. Wait, is it 462? Yeah, it is 462. 462. Okay. That's my entry there. And I'm targeting this. I just saw Hannah messaged on Discord. She's gonna be in so much trouble. Oh, Hannah, you're gonna be in so much trouble. Trouble. I love it. I love it. But guys, it's so nice. Like, all the supports, honestly, just means a lot. It means a lot. Support from your fellow traders. Signal? Mr. Ed, this is not a signal. I just said, guys, I did put out there maybe I need to put like disclosure out like for all the time, because this could be just stop in the next 2 minutes, you know. So even if you decide to trade this, just make sure that, you know, you put a proper stop, proper risk. But hi Anna, what do you think about EU now? Okay, EU now. Yeah, EU is looking good, but I wouldn't enter now because it's not the candle closure. Because you know what? How many times in the past I have entered where candle is not closed? I'm entering now because it's bullish candle, and then right before the candle is closing, because we still have like 11 minutes, the candle will go bearish, and I will be even, you know, I'll be in the entry where there's no confirmation. Like, so just need to wait. So, and my rule says to wait. If the candle will close like this, I won't take this because the price just pushed too fast, and it is one of those like downsides when you trade with confirmation of the closure of the candle, where the price can just like push so high. Like in this case, the price will push so high, and I just won't have a chance to enter, and that's okay. That's what we live with. You just, you know, you will put that setup was not valid there because the risk to reward is not going to be enough. Like if I enter now, if this would be candle closure, look at that. This is not enough. Not enough, basically. I was looking at the 4-hour order block. 4-hour order block. Let's see, 4-hour order block. Where do I see? If I'm correct, order block would be like this one in here. No? 4-hour order block, or this one in here, this one, which is my zone anyway. So yeah, I guess order block would be this one, like that. Let me go on 15. I see I have limit order on the 0.705. Yes, that one. Nice. Okay. That makes sense. Oh, I deleted mine. Wrong one. Yep. Yeah. I mean, see, in this case, if we would be like triggered then, and you would just trade zones and you wouldn't wait for the confirmation entry, you would already be in the, triggered, and you would be deep in the profit. Let's check the GU. Yeah, GU. And for the GU, I'm actually, what I would like to trade for the GU, obviously if the price would come back to here, then I would be willing to buy, but it looks like most likely we will break this area and then we will go higher. That's what I think. By the way, I need to look at my time because I need to go and pick up the kids from the school. So you guys, you just remind me that I need to get off here. That is a bullish engulfing on EU. A good signal to buy if that candle ends up like that. Yep, it definitely is bullish engulfing, but it's not enough risk to reward for me to enter this, because even if I target the previous high, which is this one, right? It's only 1 to 29, because my stop has to be, it says in my trading plan, it has to be either below the wicks or or like below the previous structure. So in this case, it's in here, or it's below the previous structure in here. So, and look at that, even like now, the candle's not even closed. Like, this is not good. This is not good at all. Like, again, I need to, like Hannah say, no bueno, no bueno. No good at all. No, so we're not entering this. Well, not we. I am not entering. But I am in this one though. I'm in this one, and the price is going really well. So let's see if we can take that. If we can take that previous high out, and then if we can, if the price is moving something like this where we break, we came to retest, and then we, you know, go higher, that would be good. That would be good to see. Can you please share how you mark zones? Can you please mark 2 to 3 live now? Okay, how I mark my zones. This is the secret, you guys. This is the secret, like the weirdest thing ever. Again, stupid. I just need to say this is stupid, you know. So when people ask me, you know, can you share how you draw your zones, or how do you, you know, what is the rules for your zones? And I have come up with a really nice answer, you know. So what is my trading edge? My trading edge is the way me, right, see the market. So I see the market like my zones because it's like me, you know. So that's what it's like. It's so hard for me to teach to someone how to draw zones because like you don't see the things the way I do. And I have a really nice example. If you take two blank papers, and you and someone else, let's say Eddie, I don't know why I thought about Eddie. So me and Eddie, we are looking at the sunset, and we're going to paint that sunset. We have the same tools, we have everything the same. But yet there's no chance we're going to paint the same way, right? Just no chance. The same with the charts. Like you look at the charts and I'm looking at the charts. There's no way Eddie's going to see the charts the way I see it. Even if he, you know, knows all my like trading plan, the way I trade. It's just the way I see zones. Apparently it's like just, I don't know, like very specific to like me, and sometimes I even can't explain it. I will say things like, I don't like this, I would like to make it in here and that, and then there's really no explanation. It's just, I guess it just comes from experience. And then traders get upset with me because, you know, they're like, but why can you not explain, and you know, why there's no proper explanation. And I mean, that was like in the Fivers community where I would just like, you know, show how I trade, and it's like, it's really, really tough to explain. But anyhow, let's open up a completely new chart. Let's say, what should I look at? USD yen, for example. So, and then remove drawings, remove everything, and go to 4 hours. And I will do like a top-down analysis for you. Whoa, look at that. Since how many years you are into Forex trading? The Facts Global. I actually started my Forex journey on 2009. So I was a student in uni, started like to trade, really just to learn about trading. Then took a time off. I moved to Scotland because I'm originally from Latvia. So English is not my first language. Why do I always say that? Because I think it's special. Anyhow, and then I would say, so now I have been trading 2000, so wow, it's been over 6 years. So it's going to be 6 years since I'm trading full time now, which is crazy. That long. And the thing is, see guys, when I went full time, I was not fully profitable, but I went full time because I just I believe it was good timing. I had the right support. My husband is just the best when it comes to supporting me. He will be like, Anna, you want to do it? You do it. Anna, you need support? I'll get it, you know. Or when it comes like even now editing the videos, he's like, I'll get the kids, you go edit. Or I'll get the kids, you go and you know, do your stuff, film or trade. It's just support. Definitely had the best support. But anyhow, let's go back to charts. Agree, we have almost the same concept in trading technicals. I marked my zones. Nice, really good. I've seen more and more traders trade like me, but definitely like in my trading circle, most traders are trading ICT or like something from ICT, and then they have made it like in their own way, like personal to them. And definitely one of the traders I would say is Hannah. If you go and look for Hannah Forex, She's trading ICT, but she has made it into her own. So that's super cool to see. But anyhow, so looking at the 4-hour chart, you wanted to burn the boats. I wanted to burn the boats. When did I say that? Oh my goodness. Alexandra, now I'm going to be like, what did I say? What made you type that? Is it because of my accent? Does it sounded because I said burn the boats? I don't know. Anyhow. See the way I say drawdown? Someone pointed out every time I say drawdown, it's sort of sounds like Jordan. So, but that's because of the accent. So anyhow, so what do I see in here? Overall, UJ is bullish because we can see we are creating higher lows. So this is bullish. So the way I do my zones is we always need to look left. So first left is in here, right? First left is in here. What's happening in here? Okay, all good. So this is like the first left. This is our like fresh support. And then what I do is you can see that you can, you know, extend. And that's why I'm like using the tool that like extends to the left, so to the right. So it's just easier. So we can see, I would call this a very fresh support because we can see that the price was, you can like extend it all the way. So price in here was trading above it, came down, retest, came lower, again, came up, retest, and this is from here, from this price point, which is actually around number 148. The price really pushed low, push higher. So what is now happening in here? This is a fresh support, and this is the first retest. So I found these setups in here the most powerful. If we drop to 15 minutes, we will see that we do have a 15-minute zone in here. And actually, if you would be like trading from here, if you would be taking like the first touch, like this one, most likely you would be stopped out. You would need to see where to put your stop, like below this wick in here. That's exactly where it went. So if you would put it in here, so it took out the load. So this is actually looking really good. I really like that. Actually, like, see this setup in here, like this one, these buys, it's looking really good. So, and I'm just saying that we could hold the bullishness in here, right? Because looking at the left, this is like where the price came from, this big bullish push. So we know that this is a really good area to buy. So always looking left. And see, that's what I'm saying, guys. I'm so bad. This is the thing. I would never be probably able to teach Forex because I'm just rubbish at teaching Forex. Because the way I trade is so personal to me. The way I see the market is so personal to me that it probably would be really hard to teach others. And I would suck at that. But I think what I would be good at is like to support you, to be there for you, basically like being a community manager. That's why I think that's why I did my job. Well, I would want to think and want to say that that's why I did my job well, being a community manager, because I think I'm really good at like supporting people. But when it comes to like actually teaching how to trade, like strategy, no. But I can teach you about risk management. I can teach you like, you know, different things that goes around the trading, because it's not only the strategy. Obviously you do need the profitable strategy, but you also need a lot, you know, things like risk management, your mindset and your processes, your routines, your backtesting and all that. So definitely more in that. Beware of the news at 3 p.m. Yes, I know. So that's why I want to see what to do about it. Let's see, how did it, look at that. This is a really nice bullish push. I really like this. I really like this one. Also, it is 2:15, so I will need to go and fetch the kids from the school. What are your top 3 mistakes in last 2 years of your trading journey? Last 2 years, I can like go last year, because my last year was rubbish year. It was just it was harsh. Since June. So in June, I got my 7 figures with the fivers. It was a big jump. Like when it came to like managing the capital, it was a big jump, and mentally I was just not ready for it. And I thought, you know, I'm okay, everything's good. I was just not ready for it mentally. And then on top of that, I decided, hey, there's the opportunity to be a community manager for the Fiverr. So I took it on. So definitely my biggest mistake was my time management, and also not really clicking on that I'm not ready yet to manage this huge capital. And yeah, and the results speak for themselves. I mean, I shared my equity curve from my account. I shared that equity curve with the Hannah's Life Club, and it was a painful time from June till January. It took me from June till January to make 10% profit on that account. And it was just a torture. It would just go up and down, and you would see how like I would always laugh. You can see from my equity curve where I'm not okay emotionally, because equity curve will show for it. And for me as a full-time trader, it's almost embarrassing to say, because hey, I'm a full-time trader, I'm managing big funds, I'm managing a lot of capital, but yet I still make the stupid mistake of being emotional and then letting my emotions affect my trading results, which is it shouldn't be like that. Because if you call, actually, that's why I never say I'm a professional trader. I never say that, because then I have that, hey, I'm not a professional trader, I can make that mistake. This is my protection blanket, because if I say that I'm not a professional trader, I'm okay to make those mistakes. But if I would be hey guys, my name is Anna FX. My name is Anna. That's so cringe. I'm a professional trader. I'm managing this and this, and and that would be different. But because I never say that, I think I allow myself to make those mistakes. Oh my. Looking good. How large is your stop loss? My stop loss is about 25 pips or something. I think so. Let's see. My stop is 27. 27. I was close. 27. So yeah, I think we need to put this at break even again, which is rubbish, because I don't want to hit. The thing is, once the news comes out, most likely I will need to close it, because then we have slippage, and I can be slipped and close lower. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna leave it open, but we do have news in just 40 minutes. So thank you. But you please do not get in trade right now, because this is late. Would be you chasing the price. Don't get in the trade now, unless your trading plan says you to do that. But other than that, don't get in the trade. Are you enjoying the stream, guys? It's me being this awesome YouTuber. Are you enjoying the stream? Put down yes in the comment section if you are. You don't need to do that. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close the stream. So EU never gave me opportunity, simply because the price just pushed too high. I was never able to get into the buys, but my buys are bullish for EU. Obviously, I don't know what's gonna happen in the news, so I don't know. But for the GJ, I'm gonna keep my trade open, and I will set it to break even. Copy from a smaller account to the big one. Maybe it would work better. Yes, that's actually a really good thing. And honestly, what I've now started to do this, where I don't check my accounts, my all accounts. I just trade my account, and then it copies to others. I purposely have picked the smallest account. So I trade the smallest account, and it's connected to rest of the accounts. Yes. Oh, you took it seriously. You actually put the yes in. Oh my goodness, you guys, you're something else. I don't trade GJ, I trade GU, and got a nice sell today. Nice, well done. That's awesome. GJ did present sells, because it was a double top situation in there, so it was really good setup, definitely. But as you can see, I am bullish on GU. Did I say GJ? I meant GU. So GU did present a nice sell here, but I am more bullish on it, so I'm waiting for the break and retest. So we'll see. But I have set it to break even now. I set my stop loss to break even. And before the news, I will want to close my trade, because I don't want to leave it over the news. Even if it's a break even, the slippage can happen. And GJ and slippage, we have history on that, okay? And I don't want to be there again. So anyhow, I just want to shout you all guys out for being here, for joining me here. I really, really appreciate your all support, like your comments and your likes. We are at 68 likes, which is great, you guys. You're awesome. That's so cool. That is so cool. Yeah, your support really means a lot. So just want to say that next week I am starting a little show, like trading show. I don't know the name of it yet, but there's going to be a guest, and it's going to be awesome. Hopefully. Hopefully it's going to be awesome. We can have like cool conversations going on around like trading topic, and I think it's going to be cool. I think it's going to be good. Hopefully. But before I leave, I just want to say that the new video of mine will be posted on Saturday. It is going to be about risk management, like trading with the prop firms, and just really like a technical, almost like a risk plan, basically how can you approach prop firms. But it's also like I want to talk about how to get ready, like mindset wise, like emotionally, how to get ready to trade prop firms, and what should be the approach of the risk that we use, like to trade prop firms, because we do have like drawdown rules in there. Most likely we'll use, at least like from my experience, I use completely different risk portfolio, or just like risk when it comes to trading personal or trading the prop account. So that's about it. I think I'm going to shoot now. I want to get in my steps. Today I'm not that good. From Monday to Wednesday, I did like 15 on average, like 15k steps a day, and now I'm not that good at all. So yeah, need to get those steps in. Anyhow, thank you so much guys for being here. I am going to be out, and I need to go and pick up the kiddos. Shame on you. Look at that big push, but shame on you. GJ is doing good. So anyhow, thank you so much for being here. I will see you later on, which means Saturday, but then a live stream next week. Okay guys, take care, use proper risk management, and I will see you. Bye.